So, good day everyone. My name is Tarjana Manampen. So, today I will discussing the physical development of early childhood. So, physical development in early childhood include gross and fine motor skills. Gross, gross motor skills are large movement such as running, jumping, and climbing that use large muscles group. Fine motor skills are small movements such as buttoning, zipping, and feeding that requires hand strength and dexterity. So, physical development in early childhood, it refers to the changes in body and motor skills during the first few years of life of the child. So, this period is marked by growth and development, including the significant changes in height, weight of the children. Grow in early childhood. Children between the age of 2 and 6 years tend to grow about 3 inches in height each year and gain about 4 to 5 pounds in weight each year. So, these children in this age group grow 2 to 3 inches in height and gain around 4 to 5 pounds in weight each year. However, it's very important to remember that these are average figure and individual children may experience growth at different rates. So, in height, every year, nag-a-add siya ng 2 to 3 inches na height. Then, in weight is nag-a-add siya ng 4 to 5 pounds na timbang every year. So, the result of increased muscle development and to lesser extent fat accumulation. So, it's very essential to remember that these ages and individual growth rate can vary. Some children might grow a bit faster or slower and ano ba, umihina yung kanilang katawan. Katawan. The nutrition, physical activity, and the health can all influence a child growth. Kaya mahalagang ipa-check up natin yung mga anak natin or yung may mga anak para matiyak na yung katawan nila is malusog or may malakas na pangangatawan. Next is the average 6-year-old weight about 46 pounds and it's about 46 inches in height. So at the age of 6 years old, the child typically weighed about 46 pounds and stand at height of about 46 inches. It's important to note that these figures are average and can vary among individuals. The weight and the height of 6 years old child can be influenced by various factors or reasons. It includes the nutrition, physical activity level, and the overall health. Some children may weigh more or less and be taller or short than the age which is considered a normal as long they are within a healthy body. So, regular growth monitoring by healthcare is essential to ensure that the children is progressing appropriately. This helps to assess the child overall health and develop, and any significant deviation from the average growth pattern can be further evaluate if necessary. Next is the 3 years old is very similar to a toddler with a large head, large stomach, short arms and legs. But but by the time the child reaches age 6, the torso has length and body proportion have become more like those of adults. So during the early childhood, there are changes in body proportion as a child grows from 3 years old to 6 years old. So three at the 3 years old at the age of 3 years old, a child body proportion are similar to that of toddler. Kaya minsan meron malaki yung ulo, malaki yung tiyan at mas maikli yung braso at pinti kumpara sa buong katawan nito. Kaya nagko-cause ng may matangkad, may pandak. This is because of the early stages of development. The head and central body structure grow faster than the feet or yung paa. It is also common for children at this age to have a rounded appearance or face. Not face, pangangatawan, I mean. Next is this growth rate is slower than that of infancy and accompanied by reduced appetite between the age of 2 and 6. This change can sometimes be surprising to parents and lead to develop a poor eating habit. So, during the period of infancy, children experience rapid growth and have a high appetite. However, as they enter the age of 2 to 6, their growth rate slow down and their appetite reduce. Parang nawawala na sila ng gana. So, these changes in growth and appetite can sometimes be unexpected for parents and may result in develop of poor eating habits in children. It's very important for parents to understand that this is a normal part of children development, and to provide the balance and nutrition diet to support their growth and development during this age of the children.